Breaking news coming in. Let's now show you how the events unfolded. Monday 5:30 a.m. the drunk accused exits the party. They hit the auto from behind. They tried escaping with the car, but as it was punctured, they drove a few meters ahead and parked it. They removed the number plates while removing. Few security guards objected. Later, accused father approached the police with a driver claiming he met with an accident. However, CCTV revealed his lie, which is on your screens at the moment. Ashish is now joining us. Ashish, it's very clear as the sky in terms of what the CCTV has revealed as far as that incident is concerned. He cannot just be getting away by saying he met up with an accident. It's for all to see that what really happened over there. Yes, there has been a police case. The lies have been nailed. The sections of the IPC that they've been booked. We've just told our viewers about it as well. What next?
So, Chati, it's a classic case of a brat doing drunken driving in this particular stretch of Cyberabad, hitting this particular auto, killing one of the occupant of this particular auto. You can see the damage. It reveals the speed of the vehicle. And what is more shocking is that father, who is one prominent educationist of Hyderabad, he tried to save his son. He in fact blamed that he in fact reached to the police station saying that the car was driven by his driver and his son was not present in the car. But this particular CCTV, it clearly revealed the lie and it nailed the lie of the father. And now, based on the investigation, police have registered case under culpable homicide not amounting to murder section. They have been arrested, both father, son, as well as the occupant, the third occupant of the car, who was along with the driver, Sujit, the son of this particular educationist. His friend Ashish was also arrested. All these three persons have been sent to judicial custody. This is the person. He was the auto driver. He was driving the auto when his auto was hit and by speeding Audi car. कहाँ जा रहे थे सर, कहाँ से आ रहे थे, क्या हुआ था?
मैं गोली दोडी से बुकिंग आया था सर, बेगमपेट आया था, जब से बुकिंग उठाया मैं उस से गच्चीपोली से आके यूटर्न आई क्या से आ रहा था, आई क्या से आते टाइम में एक्सीडेंट हुआ इधर।
तो वो लोग रुके नहीं और एक्सीडेंट के बाद वो लोग का क्या रिस्पांस था? आपको हेल्प करने आए वो लोग?
नहीं आए सर, हॉस्पिटल।
वो जो लड़का था आपके साथ पैसेंजर था, उसका क्या कंडीशन था?
वो कंडीशन स्पॉट में मारने का टाइम में स्पॉट में गिर के मर गया सर।
ये लोग जो ऑडी वाले लोग थे वो लोग किधर गए फिर?
वो लोग आगे जाके नंबर प्लेट निकाल के भाग जा रहे थे साहब। सिक्योरिटी गार्ड जाने का टाइम में वो लोग भी मारने के लिए आया था।
So clearly this particular person who was driving this particular auto and that met with the accident, he clearly reveals the entire sequence of events. As per the police, as per the auto driver who was present in the auto, these Audi driver not only they hit the auto in high speed in drunken condition, but they also tried escaping from the spot. They in fact removed the number plates of the Audi car so that no one can identify them, and probably that's what the reason that father too came up with another person posing that particular driver was at the steering wheel at the time of accident. So clearly now police have arrested all three persons. They have been sent to judicial custody, Chaiti.
Absolutely. Thanks for getting us those details right there, Ashish. And you know, the lies have really been nailed on the CCTV footage that we've accessed and we've played out on your screens at the moment too.